In this series, I'm hoping to show the rebuild of the P3 in this TA20. The factory conversion should be quite irrelevant. I don't know, there may be a few differences in it, in the engine, because it's a tractor engine, and it might have some modifications because of a T20, you know, it might be decked out different. So in this series, I'm going to hopefully tell you a bit about torque specifications and clearances, like on the tap bits and things, and I'll show you through some of what I'm doing. Preferably it won't be a complete vlog, so it'll be more information based on just showing what I've got going on, because I don't think a vlog sort of video would do good for this, especially if I'm rubbish making vlogs. There we are. So it's quite good here. Now, as I tried to say before, I think it's got some blue smoke, so that's low compression, so it's got bad piston rings. I can see that by the blow-by it's got. Smoke comes out of the crankcase breather, so I know it's got blow-by, low compression, bad. I'm going to grind the valves down. I'm going to change sleeves, pistons, bearings, seals, crankshaft seals, and all that, and hopefully that'll sort out everything, and I won't have any oil leaks. It's a nice running engine as it is. It purrs real nice, and if you take it to the right revs, you can hear the injector pump over the engine, like clicking of the injector pump over the engine. So that's all nice. I've got a lot of things to do on top of the overhaul of engine. You know, like I've got to get the starter motor done, and well, I'll have to get the whole electrical system and all that. But this series should just count on all the innards of this. So everything inside the head, block and crankcase should be addressed in this series. I hope it'll help some people who are too cheap to get a workshop manual for it. I didn't cheap out in the end, which is, well, mainly because I can't really find many videos like this here. No PDFs for free, so there we are. So I'll try and show you some of what's going on, and I hope it'll be some help to some people. If you want to see what I've got going on with this, please just I don't know, keep looking out for my channel. Some videos should be coming out in the next few weeks at least. You know, it's I'm not completely sure how things are going to work out. I think there's 2 weeks left of summer break. So that's holidays from school. So I've got 2 weeks left to do this. This should be a weekend job, but I'm not really experienced in this, you know. I take college for it, but college isn't very good at teaching you what's going on, especially where I'm in light vehicle, and I don't know, it doesn't suit me, I don't think, but it's better than nothing. So I don't know, I have some idea of what I'm doing. Don't take everything I say as gospel. You know, it's really, really, really not. So I'll try and share some useful information, and we'll see how it goes. Either way, I'd like the support of viewers, and I don't know, just contribute to the comment section too. If you've got some advice for me, I'd be happy to hear it. So, and I'm sure any other viewer that goes down to the comment section would like to hear it too. Or, I don't know, see what you've got to say. I don't know, be nice in there if you will. So, yeah, please carry on watching. Could do with some views about now. And, yeah, we'll see how it goes.